I'm going to give you one addition sum without a carryover and two addition sums with carryovers. Okay. Now we've done this before in class, so this is just a wee refresher video. Now, let's do the first one without a carryover. When we're approaching any sort of addition or subtraction or multiplication sum, we always start from the right and go to the left, which is the opposite of reading, because when we're reading a page, we always start from the left and go to the right. Okay, always start with the units column here. Let's do the first one. 1 unit add 5 units equals 6 units. 8 tens add 1 10 is 9 tens. On to the next column. 300s add 200s gives you 500s. So you have 596. Let's move on to the next one. So we're going to do this addition sum with a carryover, but the carryover is going to happen from the units going into the tens column. Now, the highest number I can have as an answer is a 9 in any column. Okay, so if I have a number that's bigger than a 9 in a column, I'm going to have to do a carryover. Let's see if we can spot any numbers in the column that is bigger than a 9. Okay, here we go. 6 units add 8 units. Yes, that's going to give me 14 units. I can't put 14 in this column because it's bigger than the 9. So I'm going to just take apart the answer. I'm going to put the 4 in here, and then I'm going to carry over my 1 into the next column, carry over the 10. Now, I put the carryover here at the bottom, just small, but I have to remember to add it on when I'm adding on my tens column. On to the next column. 4 tens, add 0 tens, add 1 10. All together gives me 5 tens, and that's fine because it's not bigger than 9. Move on to the next column. 300s, add 200s, easy peasy, 500s. And the answer is 554. Okay, on to our final sum. In this one, you have a carryover, and it's going to happen from the tens column into the hundreds. Remember, the highest number we can have in any column is a 9, so just watch out. 3 units add 4 units gives me 7 units. That's fine. 9 tens add 5 tens gives me 14 tens, and that's bigger than the 9, so I'm going to have to do a carryover. Again, just take apart your answer. The 4 I'm going to put in here for 4 tens, and then the 1 I'm going to carry over into the hundreds column. I'm going to write it as a small carryover here in the corner, but I must remember to add it on when I'm adding on the hundreds, okay? So moving on to the last column, 200s add 100 and add my carryover 100, which gives me a total of 400 altogether, and the answer is 447. Hope this video helps.